Hey everybody, welcome into the Flippin Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and helping us feed all of our hungry hippos. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Today is part 2 of this week's Thredup unboxing. I did another 50-pound purchase of a denim rescue box from Thredup. I did have some rewards that I was able to turn in. So I only paid $39.99 for 50 pounds of denim. Keith did wash and dry all of the jeans and rebox them for me to bring them upstairs so I could do these unboxings. So I did one box in part 1. We're doing box 2. If you didn't watch part 1, you're going to want to go see that because we've already gone through a box and decided if those items were money jeans, bread and butter, or poop. And we're going to continue with these, and then we'll figure out how many pairs I got in total and what I paid per piece. As always, if I come across a brand that is new to me, I'm going to set it aside and we'll comp it together at the end. So if you haven't seen part 1, go back and watch it. I don't know that it's too important to watch it in order, but you could stop this, go watch that, and then come back if you'd like. Otherwise, let's just jump right on in. I've got these kind of dumped out of the box here because sometimes he packs them in so tightly when I pull them out of the boxes in the videos. Things fly everywhere and go over the floor. And no, this is not a professional channel, but I still hate having to bend over and pick them up. This is another art class. We have this brand in the first video. It's kids clothing. I'm not sure about it, but we're just calling it bread and butter for the brevity of the videos. All right, we've got Dream Out Loud by Selena Gomez. I want to say they're poop, but they could very well be bread and butter, so we'll comp them just to be sure. We've got Old Navy. There were a lot of kids' clothes. These are Old Navy. We'll call them bread and butter. A lot of kids' clothes in this one. Hollister, solid bread and butter. We talked about Hollister in the first video and how I feel about them. Oh my goodness. See, they just stick. More kids' clothes. Yay! I'm so thrilled. These are bread and butter. Children's Place. I'm so excited about all of the kids' clothes that I have received in this box. Sarcasm. More Children's Place. At least these are cute. These are like little girls' leopard print jeans. But my goodness. Did somebody go to the kids' area of the Thredup warehouse and pack my box? Did somebody just wheel over to the kids section and just be like, put 50 pounds in there? I mean, it's bread and butter. It'll sell. It's easy to list. It's quick to list. It doesn't take up a lot of room. It's cheap to ship. But kids' clothes is not my forte. Not Shania. No, Cheyenne. Cheyenne. My name is Star. I can't read. These are little kids. I'm going to look them up. H&M. Low end bread and butter if they're not poop anymore. Wonder Nation. These are poop. I'm still going to list them for like $20 though. You watch. Good keywords. I'm going to put them up. These feel like they're under a pound, so they'll probably go for like maybe 12 plus 8 shipping or something. Oh, did I mark them down? Okay, so we have American Eagle. These are bread and butter all day long. Oh, look at that. These are really blown out. I'm still going to list them. So there's a lot of people who might look at these and be like, that's not something I'm going to list them as destroyed, ripped denim and see what happens. Still going to try it. What I mean. And I put them down as bread and butter. I do what I want. These are Gap Kids. Ugly mustard yellow. Bread and butter. I swear to God, they went to the kids section of the warehouse for me. They're like, this woman cashed in $20 of her rewards, and she's getting a 50-pound box for only $30 instead of 50. Make sure she gets all kids' clothes because that's all you get for $30. Jay Caesar, I don't know. We'll do that. I'm just kidding, Thredup, if you're watching. Naumy. Can't even pronounce it. We're gonna look them up. They're stuck. We'll look those up. Liz, where this is poop. 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 More kids' clothes. These don't even have a brand on them. They're like generic as can be. But they are lined. So they're like really good winter hunting, camping, lined pants for kids. Hunting pants. Yeah, because kids go hunting, Star. Like, you know, outdoors, camping, sweatpants inside the jeans. I don't know, but I'm still calling them poop. Because they had no brand. All right, this is Old Navy kids poop. Let me throw stuff that way so they don't land on my head. Oh, this might make up for all of the kids' clothes I've got. Oh my goodness. They got rips and the tears and the distressing. Oh my goodness. These are mother jeans. Look her ankle fray. You guys, the last two 50-pound boxes I opened, I got one pair of mothers in each one. These go for like 80 or 90 bucks. So this is a money brand. We'll just set it over here for the thumbnail. That's definitely a good brand. A kid's Old Navy. Oh, this might be a woman's. I'll have to measure this. It says it's a medium. It looks like a dress of some sort. Not maybe a chambray shirt. I don't know. But it doesn't look like a woman's medium because that doesn't look. I'm going to mark it as a bread and butter, but I'm going to have to measure it just to be certain whether it's kids or women's. It looks like kids to me. You know, since they pulled my whole box from the kids section. This is Ann Taylor poop. Although they're cute. Let me hit myself in the face. They're cute. They have a belt. They're like trouser jeans. So, I mean, with good keywords and good photos, I could probably get 20 for those. Hollister, bread and butter. We got Massimo, bread and butter. Massimo was a Target brand. Has a good following. We've got Arizona Jean Company kids jean jacket. I mean, I'm going to call it bread and butter because it's a jean jacket, but that's not a good brand. What's next? Some pants, some jeans. Blank NYC. I had to read the button because I don't even see tags in here. Poop. Poop. MWZ. What is this? Oh, these are Wranglers. These are men's slim fit, size 36. Wranglers. These are bread and butter for sure. I think about $25 for men's Wranglers, but they don't sit for very long. They do sell pretty quickly. So I do like Wranglers. I actually will source those on purpose for myself. These are Articles of Society. I'm pretty sure. I'm just going to check my pricing sheet. I haven't seen any of these in a while. But I usually start them around 30. So yeah, they're good. They're good. They're a good brand. We'll put them on the money side. And then we have some J. Crews. I consider them bread and butter. Some people think they're poop. But I need to turn real quick. They do well on Poshmark. They're still like considered trendy, I guess. All right, let me share my screen with you and we'll look up these other pairs that I have over here. We have this pair of, I cannot say this word, Nami. These are size 12. I think they're men's. Yeah, they look like cargos. And the pockets are pretty deep. So Nami men's cargo pants. I'm not even seeing the brand. You know what I'm saying? I don't like it when this happens because it means it's either such poop that they don't sell, or they're so great that they sell so quickly that none ever stay listed. But I don't even see Nami. I don't even see them. All right, I'm just going to call them poop. But if you know anything about that brand, let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it. And I'll have to do a lot more research on them before I can list them. But right now, we're just going to call them poop. All right, these are these are men's. See. All right, so these also are not coming up. No one wants to come up today. Let's try men's. All right, I'm going to call these poop as well. We'll have to do more research on them later, but if I can't find them at first glance, they're poop. We'll look up these girls' jeans real quick. Oh, these are pretty good for kids' clothes. Look, these are like $30 girls' jeans. Well. I might have a money pair of kids' clothes. It happens, right? All right, we got the Dream Out Loud by Selena Gomez, which instinctually I want to call poop, but it might be bread and butter. Dream Out Loud, women. Oh. And yeah, they're pretty bread and butter. So don't be so quick to call stuff poop. Sometimes it's bread and butter, right? All right, so I've got 5 pairs of money jeans, 33 bread and butter, and 9 poops. Okay, so the total amount I have here is 47 pairs of jeans / jackets, shorts, 47 pieces that I can sell. I did pay $39.99 all in with shipping and everything. So it's 85 cents a piece, which I'm glad that it was only 85 cents a piece because I got a lot of kids' clothes in here. But 85 cents per piece is great, especially considering I have 5 money brands. Now, generally speaking, my money brands are going to profit me right around $20, right? Give or take, more or less. My bread and butters are around $10 and poops are around $8. Share my screen with you so you can see my calculator. So the bread and butter brands, usually low end $20 profit. A lot of times it's more, especially like with the mother jeans. But just for the ease of the video, we're going to say I'm going to be able to profit $100 off of the 5 pairs of money brands. I've got 33 bread and butters, average of $10 profit a pair. And poops usually about $8. So that's another 72 plus the bread and butter. So that's $502 profit in pocket, give or take. It's probably going to be a little bit more than that when everything in here when everything in here sells. I paid $40 to make $502. So pretty good box overall. I'm really tickled pink with the 5 money brands I got, especially the mother jeans. So a good amount of bolos, solid amount of bread and butters. There's some poops in here. There's only 9 of them. We'll list them. We'll still make our money. Where we'll make our money is when these really good brands sell the bread and butters. So don't forget to check your rewards on your Thredup. They are now letting you use those on rescue boxes, and that's how I got a 50-pound box for only $30 plus $9.99 shipping, making each of these pieces 85 cents each. So I'm pretty pleased with it. I shouldn't say I'm pretty pleased. I'm overall pleased. I'm not happy with the amount of kids' clothes I got. That's kind of a bummer. I'm not a big fan of listing kids' clothes. Those last pair I pulled out, the Cheyennes, those are pretty cool because they're, $30 kids' jeans. So those are neat. But the amount of kids' clothes I got in this box, I'm just not all happy with. But the fact that I only got 9 poops, 33 bread and butters, mostly kids. But I'm happy because I got mother jeans. So I'm happy, I guess. Not unhappy. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about anything you saw in this video or about jeans or Thredup or reselling in general, let me know in the comments. Go be productive. Go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.